Hey everyone, this is also Wakabayashi from The Ideas. Today, I'd like to show you how to create a guest post via front-end submission form in WordPress and build approval systems for accepting the guest post. And there are two ways to achieve this, and I'm taking different approaches. And the first option is the guest author fill out a form and submit their post. And then the action is going to be, so insert post, but it's going to be the pending status to review. And then automatically email notification goes to guest author. And then another email notification goes to admin. Then admin can review, and if it's okay, and then changing the status from pending to publish, and it's done. And another way that I like to show you is, so the guest author is going to submit their post, and then same thing, so insert post, but the difference is waiting for verification. And then here's the same thing, so email notification goes out to guest author, and another email notification goes to admin, and the admin verifies the post and publish it. And then the post is going to be on the public. And here's the difference. So you can send automated notification goes to guest author to notify that the post is approved and then published. So let's get started. All right, so here are the topics I would like to cover today. The first one is requirement. So you need JetEngine plugin and JetFormBuilder. So it's a free version, JetFormBuilder, okay? And then the first topic is creating a new custom post type CPT, for example, blog, guest post or guest blog, even community events, so you can use that. So I'm going to be using guest post today's tutorial, and then creating a taxonomy, and then creating a front-end form for the CPT, in my case, guest post. And the next one is, I'm going to show you the first option, creating actions upon form submission, and the second option, the verification approach. And I'm going to show you the result at the end. So let's dive in. All right, so I already created a guest post here. So let's go to, let me show you how I did it. So go to post type. Now, if you need to create a new custom post type, you just go to add new, but in my case, I already created right here. So I'm gonna just hit this and edit. Let me show that to you. So the put post names, I use guest post, and then let's go to advanced setting, and then supports here. So I'm gonna be using title and the editor and the thumbnails, which is featured image, okay? And I'm adding additional field, which is author. So I'm using a text field here, and then this is required. And another one is I'm creating author's email, okay? And then text field, okay? And then this is required as well. And let's put another one actually. So I would like to put guest author's maybe website address. Okay, so object type is field, and the field type, text is okay. And then, and I can make it the required here. Okay, and then update post. And the next one is, I like to create a taxonomy or category for the guest blog or guest post. And to do that, go to JetEngine, and then here's taxonomies. And I've already created, so let's just click that, hit edit. So you have to put the name, in my case, guest post category, and then automatically user generates a slug. And here, post type. So you have to pick that. So because I created guest post, so you just pick this. And once again, just check advanced setting. And then, so this is category, not the tag. So make sure this option is turned on, and then update. Now, if you go to guest post, here's a category here. and you can keep adding. So I already have 5 categories. So if you need to add, you can add that. So let's say like IT security, and then usually it generates automatically and add a new category. So now I've got the 6 categories. All right, so the next step is I'm going to create the post submission form. Okay, so go to JetFormBuilder. Let's take a look here. So I have nothing here, and hit add new. Here, so you can start from scratch, or I have insert post template or pattern here. So I'm gonna use this. All right, so just one click, and it's already created a post title, an excerpt, and a content. And I don't think I need the excerpt field here, so I'm going to just delete. But I need to add other fields. So let's take a quick look here. So I got the guest post. So we have title, and that's post content, and then here's the post content. So I have to add, 3 fields here. Okay, so author, and then his or her email, and then website. All right, so let's just put this away, and I'm going to hit the add new button. So I just need a text field here. Okay, and just bring that. And the field label is Arthur. Okay, and then so that the field, that text is okay. And let's bring another one. Email, and then text field is going to be email. Okay, and then so I'm going to bring another text field right here. That's going to be website. Okay, and then the field type should be URL. Okay, and then I'm going to just hit publish it. All right, so next wise, I like to create a checkbox so that the guest author can pick a category that I created. So checkbox field, so write this one, and let's bring this, maybe bring it to the top here, right here. Okay, and I'm gonna make it mandatory here. And then so the fill option from it's gonna be terms, right? And then which terms? So the guest posted category. So right here. Okay, and then the field label. I'm gonna put the categories. And then so I'm gonna just use the guest post categories. Okay. And then let's hit update. And actually I forgot, I have to make it, this is mandatory or require everything. The website, maybe not. That's gonna be an option. Okay. And then also, like, I forgot to add titles. Guest post submission form. And then hit update. And then submit button. And then label. So this is fine. And let's go to form. So I'm gonna add some new action here. So let's go to post submit action. So add new. So this is going to be insert update post. Okay, and I'm gonna just hit the edit button. So make sure you want to map this out. All right, so the post type. So this is going to be guest post, right? And then post status. So status, I'm gonna choose pending to review. Okay, and then post title is going to be title, and the post content to be post content. Categories should be post terms, and which post term is going to be guest post category. Okay, and then author. So this is gonna be a post meta right here. Okay, and then we have to put the right. So let's bring. So make sure. So remember we created meta field here, right? So it says name ID. So make sure you put this. I'm gonna just copy this and then paste onto that. So email to. So this is gonna be post meta And then so copy that and then paste, and the website post meta and the same thing. So this name ID right here. Okay. Okay. All right. So submit. Yeah, I don't think I have to pick anything and hit update. Okay. And hit update. So this is just the first action, but I have to send out the 2 emails when guest author submit their post, right? So I'm going to add a new actions. Remember that when I talked about earlier, so the option 1, so those are 2 new actions. Emails goes out to guest author, and then another emails notification goes to admin. Okay, so let's create that. So add a new action, and that's going to send an email. Okay, so pick this, and then so hit the edit button. So this time, so email goes to, so email from submitted form field. So this is going out to guest author, right? Here, pick that field. So author email. Okay, and the reply to, I can use maybe custom email. They can reply to maybe my email, and then subject. Okay, great. Yeah, we can pick whatever you want to. So thank you for your guest post submission. And then from name, so I can put my name, or whatever the admin is usually. Okay. And then from email address, so I'm gonna just use my email address here. And the content types, I'm going to use HTML. And then you can create a content. Just thank you for submitting your post. And if you want to, you can put some marker here. And then I can put my name here, admin. And then the rest is looks okay. And then hit update, and I'm going to create another email action. So I hit that new action, that's email. Now this is going to be a notification to admin. Okay, so you can usually put admin email, but in my case, I think admin email is different from mine. So I'm going to just use my work email here. Okay, so this one doesn't really matter. You can reply to author if you want to. Subject is, so you can, I'm going to add author's name here. I think the new guest post. Okay. And from name, it's going to, you can pick author, and then email address, author's email. Okay. And the content, HTML. And then you can just put the, I'm going to just put the artist's name, Spain, did a new post, and the title of the post is, there's title right here. Okay. And you can say, please review it. Oh, actually, I gotta put the break here. And here, all right, so just one sec here. What I want to do is go to guest post here, and I'm going to just copy this URL so that when you click it, it goes to this page, guest post page. So I'm going to just paste that here. So that's probably easier when you receive emails as admin. And then hit update. All right, so I want to check just once and go back to the previous email. Yeah, here too. So I think I need just a break tag here and hit update and update. All right, so let's create a new page so that I can put the form, the front end form. So let's go to add a new page. And here, so I'm going to just type guest post submission form. And then here, I'm going to just go to form. So this is forms. I'm going to just copy and paste the short code here, like that, and hit go ahead and publish. Okay, so let's take a look. So this is the form here. Okay, so let's try posting a guest blog or guest post here. I'm going to just put this title and then just sample dummy text right here. Okay, so this is going to be fundraising, and then I'm going to put just put the guest author as our author's name, and so let's put the guest .ca, and I'm going to just skip the website and hit submit here. So it looks like yeah, form successfully submitted. Now, so let's go to admin and then check out the guest post here. So now it says 5 tips help navigate data privacy in AI fundraising. So it's pending. Now let's check out the email. Now here are emails. So let's take a look. Okay, so guest author submitted a new guest post. All right. So it's working. So because this is the title here, right? And then please review. So if you click that, takes you to here, it says pending. And then let's go to another email. So this email is to guest author. So thank you for submitting your post. That's his title, right? So you can of course add more content here, but email is working. So now go to the backend here as an admin and go hit edit. So if this is everything's good. Now, so I didn't really set image here because I think admin side should pick a right image because that's their website. And then so that because of the branding should be more consistent for admin to upload image. So let's go, just click here. And then this is about fundraising. So maybe just put pick this image and update. And then so if this is everything is good, go ahead and hit publish. Oh, guess what? I think I made it this mandatory. So that's why it didn't let me publish. So let's just put that this and go ahead and hit publish. Good, and take a quick look. So this is the guest post. All right. Now next one is I quickly modified the form and they create a different workflow. So the inserting post, waiting for verification, and the sending out email to guest author, and the email to notification email to admin. So those are the same, but the approval process is different. So let me show it to you. So this one, go to admin backend, and admin verifies the post and publish it. And then the last part is another email notification goes out to guest author, okay, to just let him know that post is published. Okay, so let's dive in here. So let's go to form editing. So go to JetFormBuilder and forms, and here, so let's go edit this. Now, so leave everything as it is, and then go to pick the JetForm, and then here's action here. Now, so let's add verification here. Okay, so let's click that. Now, so let's edit this. And who can verify the submission? Only admin in this case. So this is link lifespan. So the default is set to 4 hours, but I'm going to just change to 0. I don't want to set any restriction here, and hit update. Now, as you see, it says run on verification. So to insert post, need verification. And then so sending email. So this emails to guest author, thanking them for submission. So this doesn't need the verification. So let's go run always. And the same here. So this goes out to admin that somebody posted, right? So this notification doesn't need a verification, so run always. Okay, and I'm gonna add a new action here, another email, and then click that. So this email goes out to guest author. So email from author email. Okay, and the reply to, you can probably put the custom email here, and you can put the subject. So your post has been approved and published. And then from name, you can put the WP admin. And then from email, so you can put whatever the admin email is. And I pick a content type, HTML, and you can write a content. And go ahead and hit update. All right, so let's go back to guest post submission form, and I'm gonna put the title, and then I'm gonna just put the dummy text right here. And this is IT security, for example. And then author's name is the email. And then, okay, so let's hit submit. Okay, so form successfully submitted. Now let's go back to dashboard and let's check out guest post. Now, so it's not yet published. It's not listed here yet. Okay, the reason is because you have to go to JetFormBuilder and the form records. This is where you need to verify. So right here, guest post submission form. Okay, so waiting for verification. So let's click verify manually. So it's verified. Now you can actually view that. Now the downside is you cannot really see all the post context. Okay. Now once verification is done, let's go back to guest post. And now you actually see and review because still under pending. So let's go to edit and then quickly review that. And then if it's okay, and I'm going to just put the new image here and then hit go ahead and publish. Okay. Now, so let's check out email. And the first and the second email are the same as previous option. So the first one is the guest, which is Tim Cook, submit a new guest post and then same content, right? And the second one is thank you for your guest post submission. That goes to from our system to the guest. So in this case, like Tim Cook at jideas.ca. The third email is once I verified that this email goes out to the guest. So which is Tim Cook at jideas.ca. So thank you for submitting your guest post. Your post has been now published. Now, so let's take a look at the listing page. So in this tutorial, so I'm not going to go through how to create a listing page, but here's the result. So everything's got approved and published. So these posts are created by your guest. So this is, this is really amazing. So now you know how to create a workflow in two different ways. So the first one is once gets submitted and then send out 2 notifications and then insert a post and the status is pending and you can review it and publish manually. And then the second option is if you want to notify your guest author, then you can use verification option, which comes with JetFormBuilder and free version. So I hope you enjoy this. If you like this video, please subscribe to Crocoblock channel. I'll see you next time.